She will be appearing in the interview, inshallah, if she qualifies the written part. She will appear before the Federal Public Service Commission's interview panel, and in that panel, English is the main language of communication between her and the panel. So she wants to get comfortable with English speaking, and that is why she has come to tracks to understand what are the principles of speaking effective in English. Dr. Numan लिखते हैं, to get a grip on the English language, as these days this language is important in every part of professional life. Very good answer, Dr. Usman. You have given an answer which is general answer. You gave it specifically for some purpose. He wants it generally for his professional life. So Dr. Usman thinks that English has become a very important part of our professional life.